What's up, everybody? Jared here from Manatee Pressure Washer Supply and Repair. Today I got a trailer I wanted to go over with you guys so you can kind of take a look at it. It's going to be a spec trailer, something that we're going to hopefully have ready to go in the future, something that's always readily available for guys. We have a lot of guys that come in that are looking for equipment, that need to get supplies or need to get a machine, need to get a rig right off the ground and rolling right away. So we're hoping that this should help a lot of guys like that out. If you guys need anything or if you have any details, we'll have a full spec sheet on our website for this guy. This is one of the trailers that we have that we're working on now. We'll be working on some stuff in the future so that we have some more stuff readily available for you. But if you need anything or if you have any questions, I want you to enjoy it, take a look, and let us know what you think. Peace. Give you a quick run over. This is a 6x12 single axle trailer that we've got some modifications and paint done to. What you'll notice in the immediate is going to be there's a ladder rack on the side. We also have a surface cleaner mount rack that's mounted. Those are painted and welded to the side of the rig. Then we also have our machine stacks. This is set up to where you could add another machine in the future, but right now we've got an electric start 5.5 Manatee, a 5.5 gallon per minute Manatee gear drive. This is the electric start with the general pump. This guy is ready to run. You could mount another machine up beside it. You could run two together, but right behind it, you'll see the battery box, followed by the 6 gallon a minute flow jet with the on off switch mounted here. So we can turn it on and off. Then you've got your valves along with your tanks. And then we've got the high pressure hose, the Fierce Jet lines on the King's 18-inch manual hose reels. All three of these are mounted, painted, and racked up on the trailer, so they're extra sturdy. And we've got 1/2 inch the Fierce Jet soft jet hydraulic flex hose is what we're running here with the ST510 handle, and the you got your J-rod hookup. And then we've got a garden hose, the 3/4 inch hydraulic flex that will be set up there. So like I said, we've got 100 gallon tanks on the back. Everything's plumbed, ready to run. I'll have a spec sheet together, like I said, with all the specs on it, on everything and what it would be. But this guy's ready to run and it's for sale, and you can pick it up today. Let us know.